Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Good morning, class.
Morning, sir.
How are
Morning,
you
sir.
today?
Fine, sir. And
I'm
sir?
good, sir.
Okay, I'm fine, thank you. So welcome back to English class. Today we're going to review questions that you have done already in mid-semester, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, here is the questions. So before we start the lesson, let's recite Al-Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, and then the purpose of learning is to identify the general and the specific information presented in the text, and then to find out or to state the topic of the text. Okay, all right, without further ado, we go to the question at once. So these are the questions. Okay, so I'd like to invite you to read. Monica, please read the question first.
What is the text about? A. Irish tour to Italy. B. A job vacancy in Hotel Canaro. C. 3-day tour to European countries. D. A healthy and clean environment. E. The description.
The description on Canero Rivera, yeah?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the text about? A week tour to Italy. B. A job vacancy in Hotel Canero. Also, this Hotel Canero is actually Hotel Paradiso, yeah? C. 3-day tour in European countries. And D. A healthy and clean environment. E. The description of Canero Rivera or Paradiso. It's actually supposed to be Paradiso, okay? Right, so here, look at the question here. What does it mean, vacancy? What does it mean, vacancy? What is vacant? What does vacancy mean? Lowongan pekerjaan, ya. Okay. Now I'd like to invite Daeng. Are you there, Daeng? Daeng? Is Daeng still there or not? Daeng is not. Daeng left already. Anissa Pratiwi.
Yes, sir.
Anissa, please read the text.
I can't see, sir. Oh, okay. Paradiso Hotel, Kuta, Bali, PON 0317888046. Waiters or waitresses, swimming pool attendants, bar staff. Around $150 per week, 12 hours per day.
12 hours. You say 12 hours per day.
12 hours per day.
Okay.
6 days per week.
Okay.
Free board and accommodation. Knowledge of German, Italian, or French required. Period of work 3 or 6 months between end of March and end of October.
Okay.
Applicants should be fit and healthy, organized and clean.
Organized, teratur ya. Yeah.
Organized and clean. Application from
Rapi,
25 application from 25 March on to the end and send to Maria Carla at the above address.
Address. Yeah, okay. So I'm so sorry because of the here Paradiso, it's supposed to be Hotel Canero ya. Canero Hotel ya atau Paradiso Hotel. Ya, okay. So waiters, do you know waiters? What does it mean, waiters and waitress?
Penulis, sir.
No, that is writer. Waiters or waitress? Why waitresses? What does it mean? Apa itu?
Menunggu,
Seperti
sir.
pelayan, sir.
Ya, pelayan restoran ya, yang melayani di restoran, waiters. Ya, if you work in the restaurant and then you serve the food or the drinks to the guest or to the customer, so your occupation or your profession is as waiters, waiter, yeah, waiters or waitresses. Yeah, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, swimming pool attendants. What does it mean, swimming pool attendants? What does it mean, swimming pool attendant?
Pembersih kolam renang, sir.
Penjaga ya. Attendant ini penyangga, penunggu ya, penjaga kolam renang, yang jaga kolam renang. Bar staff, I think you know bar staff, okay? So around $150 per week, 12 hours per day. So you say hour, not hour, but hour. 12 hours per day, 6 days per week, free board and accommodation, knowledge of German. It means he knows or he understand of German language and Italian language and French language required. Ya, apa ini required? Wajib ya.
Persyaratan, sir.
Wajib atau disyaratkan ya, disyaratkan atau diwajibkan atau disyaratkan mampu atau mengetahui bahasa Jerman, bahasa Itali, and bahasa Prancis. Okay, and then period of work is 3 or 6 months between end of March and end of October. Akhir Maret sampai akhir Oktober. An applicant, you know what does it mean applicant? What is applicant? What is applicant? Orang yang melamar itu ya, yang melamar. Applicant should be fit and healthy, harus fit dan sehat. Ya, yang lamar pekerjaan ini must be or should be fit and healthy, organized and clean. How does it mean organized? Rapi. Terstruktur, rapi ya, rapi dan clean and bersih orangnya, nggak jorok ya. Organized is mean rapi and clean. Application from 25 of March to the end and send it to Maria Carla at the above address. Right, so the text, so these are the text. So what kind of text is this? I think we learned before, yeah? What is this?
Announcement, sir.
It is announcement. Can you be more specific? Advertisement, yeah? Yes or no? And advertisement, yes, there are kind of form of advertisement. The form of what form of advertisement is this? It could be banner, brochure, what is that book? Brochure, banner, and then what else? Pamphlet, booklet, flyers. Which one? Which one is it? Which one belongs to? This text belongs to what? What do you think? Is it banner? What do you think about banner? I think banner is too long, right? Maybe could be what is that pamphlet, yeah. Okay, right. So now we go to the question. What is the text about?
B, sir.
B, sir.
Is it B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to change this one. Hotel Canero become Paradiso Hotel or Hotel Paradiso. Yeah, I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, what is the text about? So why is it a hotel? The answer is B. How do you come with that answer? Kenapa pilih jawabannya B? Why is it B?
Applicant, sir. Kata applicant, sir.
Applicant. Apalagi? What is the clue? Keywordnya apa? What are the keywords?
Kata yang di bawah nomor HP itu, sir.
Which one?
Waiters or waitress.
This one. Yeah, waiters or waitress, swimming pool. This is kind of the position. Yeah. Nah, yeah, that's right. Ini juga merupakan these are kind of job profession that are needed. Ya, ini adalah profesi yang dibutuhkan. Ya, and then yes, you are right. So, and then we got here applicant. Ya, applicant. Pelamar. Ya. Yeah, so that is obvious. This is very obvious. Jelas sekali. It's very clear that this text is searching or looking for or offering job vacancy in a hotel. Yeah. Why not A? Kenapa bukan A? Because this text is not talking about the tour. Yes, it's talk a little bit about Italian, but it's not about tour to Italy. But what is that? The applicant must be able to speak Italian, right? And C, why not C? 3-day tour to European countries. This is not connected also, yeah. So the 3 European countries is not about the tour, but about the language that must be included as the applicant proficiency. I mean, application or competence, yeah. Okay, now a healthy and clean environment. Is it about a healthy and clean environment? I don't think so, right? So a healthy and clean is not about environment, but it should be, the applicant should be fit and healthy, yeah. So E, why is not E the description of Canero Rivera? This is not about the description of the hotel, yeah. This is not about the description of the hotel, but the hotel is searching the applicant or offering, yeah. The hotel is offering the job vacancy. Jadi hotelnya ini ialah yang menawarkan lowongan pekerjaan. You got it? Yes, your answer is correct. So the answer is B. The only thing that you have to alter or change is the Hotel Canero. It's supposed to be Paradiso Hotel or Hotel Paradiso. Okay, very good. So now the second question. For the second question, we don't need to read the text. Yeah, I think you understand already because we read it already. So you just go to the questions. Okay, now Anissa, Pratiwi, please read the question. Can you answer them also?
Who is the address of this advertisement?
Advertisement.
A.
Okay, wait, hang on for a second. Who is the addressee? Addressee, it means orang yang dialamatkan, ya. Who is the addressee of this advertisement? Yeah, what do you understand? What does it mean?
Yes, sir.
You can say advertisement or advertisement, yeah, British and American, yeah. No matter, yeah, doesn't matter, okay? If you want to say advertisement, it's okay. You want to say advertisement, it's okay too. So what is the address, or who is the addressee of this advertisement? So, iklan ini ditujukan ke siapa? Dialamatkan untuk siapa? Okay, so read the option now. Please read the option.
A. All those who are fit and healthy. B. Those who can serve foreigners.
Foreigners,
K.
okay.
C. All those who meet the requirements mentioned.
Mentioned. Okay.
D. The educated people who can handle service jobs.
Okay.
E. Those who can speak two foreign language.
To foreign language. Okay. So let's understand the option first. Mari kita pahami dulu every single option. Ya, fit and healthy. You got it? Fit, sehat ya, fit ya. Those who can serve foreigners. For what does it mean foreigners ya? What does it mean foreigners?
Enggak, sir. No,
Hah?
sir. No, sir.
Apa? Foreigners artinya apa? Ada yang tahu? What does it mean foreigners? Orang
Asing, sir.
orang asing ya, foreigners. You can be orang asing too, you can be foreigner when you are visiting other country. For example, like when you go to Australia, it means you are foreigners. So foreigners doesn't mean only bule ya. No, but you can be foreigners when you visit other country ya. Those who can serve foreigners. See, all those who meet the requirements mentioned. What does it mean requirements?
Persyaratan, sir.
Persyaratan. Ya, all those who meet the requirements mentioned. Orang yang memenuhi persyaratan yang tersebut, yang disebutkan. Okay, D, the educated people who can handle service jobs. I think you got it already. Those who can speak to foreign language. Foreign language, what does it mean foreign language?
Bahasa
Foreign
asing,
languages? Huh?
Bahasa asing.
Bahasa asing. Okay. From these 5 options, which do you think the best answer?
C,
Okay.
sir.
C, sir.
Is it C?
Yes,
Well,
sir.
why not A? All those who are fit and healthy. Is it included already or not? Is it included one of the advertisement or the addressee's requirement? Persyaratan yang diajukan apakah termasuk fit and healthy? Is it included or not?
Termasuk, sir, tapi masih kurang.
Masih kurang, that's right. Okay, but we need more, yeah, not only fit and healthy. Okay, very good. B, those who can serve foreigners, is this included or not?
Not, sir.
Apakah di sini juga termasuk persyaratan apa? Ini, for example, like this advertisement is addressed to those who can serve foreigners. Orang yang bisa melayani orang asing. Apakah bisa termasuk di situ atau enggak?
Enggak, sir.
Enggak masuk? Why? Kalau dia bisa bahasa Prancis, okay, bahasa Itali, the bahasa Jerman, don't you think it's included? Those who can serve foreigners?
Sir.
Sorry?
Termasuk, sir.
Okay, termasuk ya, those who can, but it's not enough ya.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. C, this is your answer. D, the educated people who can handle service jobs. Is it included on the text or not? Or the requirements? Orang-orang yang berpendidikan. Educated people, the meaning is?
No, sir.
What does it mean educated people? Orang-orang yang berpendidikan.
Pendidikan.
Ya. Orang-orang yang berpendidikan who can handle service job. Is it included? Masuk dalam persyaratan? Do you find it?
Termasuk, sir, tapi tidak ada patokan pendidikannya gitu, sir.
Okay, very good. E, those who can speak 2 foreign languages. Yaitu orang-orang yang bisa 2 bahasa asing.
Tidak, sir, di dalam teks 3, sir.
3, okay. Right, so the best answer, your answer is C, all those who meet the requirements mentioned. Yeah, it means when you choose C, it means all the requirements are included ya. Orang-orang yang memenuhi persyaratan semua persyaratan yang disebutkan. Yes, the answer is C. That is good answer. Okay, so we have one more question. Okay, yeah, this is the last question because actually we have more questions, but due to the time and then the participants here, so we just do 3 questions here. So next is let me read it. Those who are accepted to work for the hotel, what do you think? Orang-orang yang diterima bekerja untuk di hotel ini, A, mostly Italians. Sebagian Kebanyakan adalah orang Italia. Yes or no?
Tidak tentu, sir.
Okay, what is wrong with this option? Apa salahnya? Opsi ini salah kenapa?
Karena bisa jadi dia orang Jerman atau orang Prancis, sir.
Oh, oke. Dia bukan kebanyakan orang Italia, nggak ada termasuk di situ ya. It's not included ya. It's not mentioned that the applicant or those who work there mostly Italian is not included ya. Yeah, no matter Italians or German or Indonesian or Italian, as long as they can speak 3 languages, they will be okay, right? They can be accepted. B, okay, A is eliminated. This is wrong answer, and B will get accommodation. Those who are accepted to work for the hotel will get accommodation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Tapi enggak.
Dia akan mendapatkan akomodasi.
Yes, sir.
Is it the answer?
No, sir.
Okay, why?
Karena enggak accommodation aja, sir.
Okay. So B is not, artinya nih will get accommodation, dia akan mendapatkan akomodasi tempat tinggal. Dia akan mendapatkan tinggal, ya. Ya, artinya di sini dia bukan mendapatkan rumah, tapi akan difasilitasi gitulah ya. Dia dapat boarding ya, free board and accommodation. Dia tidak mendapatkan rumah, tapi free board and accommodation. Oke, C. Those who accepted to work for the hotel are under the control of Maria Carla. Yes or no? Di bawah naungan Maria Carla, di bawah kontrol pengawasan Maria Carla. Yes or no?
No,
Tidak
sir.
dijelaskan di teksnya,
Okay,
sir.
so who is Maria Carla then?
Untuk
Carla?
untuk
Di
mengirim
penerimanya, sir.
Yeah, he
lamarannya,
is only a person who are in charge in accepting the application, yeah, or he is the one who is in charge for application. I mean, if you want to send your application, then you can send it to Maria Carla, but he is not the supervisor or not the manager. It's not mentioned here. Well, who knows, right? D will take control of each department. Dia akan mengawasi setiap departemen. Yes or no?
Enggak, sir.
I don't think so.
Tidak, sir.
Yeah, we'll start working between March and October. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Right,
How do
sir.
you know? How do you know?
In the text, sir.
What is the text at?
Period of work 3 or 6 months between end of March and October.
Okay, that's right. Jadi period of work. Jadi masa kerjanya itu 3 atau 6 bulan ya. Between when? Between end of March, akhir Maret, and akhir October. So it means it start working between March and October ya. Yeah, because end of March is included March, and then end of October is included still October. So in between March and October. So the good answer is E. Okay, right. So I think that is the questions. We finished 3 questions already. Well, actually we have more here, but unfortunately we don't have time enough to continue or to finish the whole questions. And besides, only 2 students are participating in this class. I'm wondering where are the rest. Okay. Right, I think that's all for today. Thank you for joining our class today, Anissa Pratiwi and Monica Maihilda. Thank you very much for joining and have a nice day. We close by reciting Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.